YouTube. It's your girl Tiffany and I'm back again with another video.
When it's cold, I'll be your soldier. Anything you need, just let me hold ya. I'm gonna make sure I give.
So yeah, I had a new crimping iron. I threw the box away. Excited, but Tyche. Let's see how it works. So I'm gonna do my makeup and I'll be back when I'm ready to do my hair. Okay, so I better love makeup because I was supposed to just be doing my brows and lashes. Why am I putting a background color on, preparing to do a whole look? I don't know where I'm going with this, y'all, but I'm gonna be back. So I did. Let me show y'all in the light. So I had a whole cut crease. I'm just going with the flow right now, but I'm hungry, so I'm not gonna fix something to eat. But I guess this is typical day of my life. I started doing my makeup and find something else to do. We got dishes in the scene. Okay. I'm gonna come back to y'all for real when I'm ready to do my hair. I don't know what time it is, but I'm gonna come back to y'all when I'm ready to do my hair. So I just had to eat one of these little adult Lunchables real quick. P3. Because it's getting real. Like, I'm trying to do something with this look. So y'all stay tuned. I mean, I just got time today. White liner? Where am I going with this? I don't know what this look is. I don't know what to call it. Oh, this cat got messed up, so look at this one. Oh. That's in my hair. It's not. I'm back. Do this. Alright, so I'm at the top on the left or the right side. One of these sides. I'm at the top on these sides. I'm gonna show y'all, you know, what I did or what I've learned from doing this, I guess you could say. Because each one is a practice. So I sprayed Got to Be glue on it. Probably not spray that much. And comb it. Put it on there and squeeze this side. And then lean it down a little bit. Basically so the hair can get more, or get on the thing more. Let me stop for the best I get you. And then clap it.
Hey, mommy.
Clap it a little bit.
Hey, mommy.
Hey, Drea. What's the next one? Give him over here. It's hot. Clap it. I don't even know if you're supposed to clap it, but it seems like it's smoking. It seems like it's getting hot. Then give it to me. Now go play in your bed. Yes, Julia? Huh? lazy on the other side. That's why I just was like seeing how the hair works. You see the smoke. Sis, looking real 90s over here. I'm trying to get to the roots on this last one. This the top one on the left. This the top one on this side. So I'm gonna, put a little bit of work in this one. With it when I put it on, but well, yeah. Not sure how I feel about it yet. One side, I'm gonna do the other side, and of course I'm gonna put it on. I'll be back. It's alright, it's overrated to me, but I say it's overrated only because okay, it's not even on all the way, and girl, you is doing it. But yeah, you know I'm gonna like it. But I say it's overrated because you can get cramps by braiding your hair up. Oh, it's not that extra. So I'm going to put this on. And I only glue this right here. Boop! I got a closure. Closure wig. I only glue that. Make sure my part straight. That's all I glue. Do I take this wig off every day? It comes off when it want to come off. Some nights I go to sleep with it. Some nights it be in the bonnet. Some nights I still have it on. It come off when it want to come off. Mainly because every time I do it, it's like a fresh install. Every time. A fresh wig construction type shit. Okay, get a little tacky. And then put it right where your hairline is. Where your hair start, whatever, where your hairline is, and then blow dry the rest of the way. Get down to the root. Oh yeah, you remember I did sew some clips in there. I'm gonna put the clips in, and I don't have on a wig cap, so I just comb them in my little afro that I got. By the way, your girl hair is long, and when I take this wig off, when I get tired of playing with this wig, I'm doing me some box braids, cause I can grip my hair.
Oh no, you can't. You still bald head.
That's all I'ma say, baby. That's all I'ma say, baby. I don't know how I feel about this. Yeah, I'm gonna have my baby hair, but it's fine right now. I don't know how I feel about it. I almost forgot to finish recording the rest of this video, but this is the look. I don't like it. I shouldn't have did the white eyeliner. I'm trying to be different. I mean, it's cute, but the white eyeliner is really throwing me off because, you know, my eyes are already big. And I feel like white eyeliner, because I put it on top and the bottom, but I put black on top of the one that I put at the bottom. Anyway, white eyeliner or lining your eyes in white, it gives the illusion that your eyes are bigger, you know, because it gives more white to see, you know, the white part get more white. It makes your eyes bigger. My eyes are already big. I don't need no white liner, but it's the look. Oh, I'm not even talking about my makeup. Why am I talking about my... Y'all can know my makeup. And then it's my hair. It done fell a little bit, but it's alright. These my little clips. Let me see if you can see them. Can y'all see them? Jesus, just hurt my eyes trying to do this. I hope you can see these, but yeah. Be cute. I'm thinking on TikTok. You want a Lunchable. I'm thinking on TikTok and probably chill for the rest of the day because I don't have no client and it's raining outside. So, but I'm cute. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what video y'all want to see next. Junior and Jaden finna start making their own videos because I'm tired of them being in my videos. Junior, what you gotta say?
Oh, videos.
What you gonna say in your video?
Follow me on TikTok.
You don't even have a TikTok, Jaden. You can't even. You're not allowed to have it.
Video.
What you gonna say in your video? Say hi. I'm Junior.
Hi, Junior.
Say I'm 3.
I'm 3.
When your birthday?
I get 14.
2017.
2017.
Say I'm finna be 3.
I'm finna 3.
Yeah. What you gotta say, Jada?
About my TikTok?
You can't download it.
I know, but they can like just like my
Okay,
video.
y'all go follow him and like his videos.
GUCCIJAYBOOGIE.
Why you holding the Lunchable up from him? Alright, y'all. Like, comment, subscribe, follow my kids. We got a lot coming for y'all.
Hey,
What?
what do we say when a cute boy walks by?
Brown chicken, brown cow.